Thank you very much for the Shiur question. Sometimes, question. Sometimes it is necessary to clean the skin with isopropyl alcohol. Is this allowed since the cleaning of the skin can be very deep, or would we be incurring in borer? Thank you very much, Rabbi.
Borer, meaning to separate something from the skin. This is clean the skin on Yom Tov, yes. I don't think it is a problem. I don't see an issue. If it's alcohol, there should not be any issue, right? So I mean, for example, if some impurities, like some dirt, you can remove with a soap. So what is the difference? Like you're using something else, you use alcohol. What is the difference? So I guess that the only thing, do not squeeze. So if you use some like cotton ball or something, so don't do very gentle, do not squeeze. And but otherwise should not be an issue.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.